Hi guys, this is Mair. Yes, today we are making Paneer Masala. It's a very easy and simple recipe for cottage cheese. So let's go start the video. After adding vegetable oil, I'm adding chopped onion in there and I'm gonna fry the onions until they are light brown. So here you can see the onions are light brown. Now I'm adding the garlic and the green chili finely chopped. Here I'm adding cumin seed and then I'm adding finely chopped one tomato in there. After frying it for 5 minutes, now I'm adding garam masala in there. And with that, we're gonna add our cottage cheese in there as well. After frying the cottage cheese with onion, tomatoes, garam masala, garlic, and green chili, we're gonna add some red chili powder, some salt, and then we're gonna add the tomato sauce in there as well. Okay, I'm adding some water and I'm gonna cover with the lid on top and cook it at least for 10 minutes on a medium flame. So guys, this is after 10 minutes of paneer masala cooking with the lid on top. And here you go, our masala is ready. Now I'm garnishing with some cilantro. And here you go, it's all done. Now we're gonna serve it and stay tuned for the serving and the tasting. So this is guys by far the best and simple recipe of the paneer masala tikka. Do try this recipe and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye now.